Welcome back. We can also undertake the same process for individuals that become part of our Wishlist membership. For example, if we go to the trigger area, we can set up a Wishlist member trigger. We can then add in Wishlist member. We can choose an event. We can state that when a member is added to a specific level, we want to have that individual added to our group. We can then click continue. We can choose our Wishlist member account. We can then click continue. You'll then want to test your trigger to get sample information. The action will then take place inside of our Skool account. We will then select the event, and the event will be to invite a member. We can then click continue. We can then enter the email address from our Wishlist member account where we are mapping the two fields together. We can choose the course inside of Skool that we're going to add an individual to. We can then click continue. And once we publish this element, we will basically be setting it up so that when an individual becomes part of our Wishlist membership, they will then be added to our Skool group. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.